The MacBook, a popular line of laptops created by Apple Inc., has a rich history filled with interesting facts. First introduced in 2006, the MacBook has since become a staple in the tech industry. Here are 7 historical facts about the MacBook that you may not have known. 1. The MacBook was originally introduced as a replacement for the iBook and PowerBook lines of laptops. It was designed to be a more consumer-friendly option compared to the PowerBook, which was marketed towards professionals. 2. The first MacBook model featured a 13.3-inch widescreen display and was available in both black and white colors. It also included a built-in iSight camera, which was a new feature at the time. 3. In 2008, Apple introduced the MacBook Air, a thinner and lighter version of the MacBook. The MacBook Air was marketed as the world's thinnest laptop at the time of its release. 4. The MacBook Pro, another popular line of laptops from Apple, was first introduced in 2006. The MacBook Pro was designed for professionals and featured higher-end specifications compared to the standard MacBook. 5. In 2015, Apple introduced the 12-inch MacBook, which was the thinnest and lightest MacBook model at the time. The 12-inch MacBook featured a Retina display and a redesigned keyboard with a new butterfly mechanism. 6. The MacBook Pro received a major redesign in 2016, which included the addition of the Touch Bar. The Touch Bar is a touchscreen strip located above the keyboard that provides users with customizable shortcuts and controls. 7. In 2020, Apple announced that they would be transitioning their entire lineup of Mac computers, including the MacBook, to their own custom-designed Apple Silicon chips. This marked the end of Apple's partnership with Intel, which had been supplying processors for Mac computers for over a decade. Overall, the MacBook has evolved significantly since its initial release in 2006. With each new model, Apple has continued to push the boundaries of design and technology, making the MacBook one of the most popular and innovative laptops on the market. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, there's a MacBook model out there for everyone.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press notification. See you in the next video. Have a great day ahead.